Hi, I'm Jill with Rooting for the Future, and we're going to be making green popcorn today. This is a snack that kids love, and they can get really involved in helping you make it and having it taste the way that they like. So the one unique ingredient that you may not have that you will have to probably find is spirulina. And spirulina is just a type of blue-green algae, and we're going to use it in powdered form. It has antioxidants, and it has great vitamins and nutrients in it, and we're going to add that to our popcorn to make it green. We're also going to be using some garlic powder, some nutritional yeast, which kind of has a cheesy flavor. If you've used it before, it tastes great on popcorn. And we're going to be using some sea salt and some melted butter. And I have that here. This is about a quarter cup of melted butter. And then we have our popcorn, and this is a tricolor type of popcorn that we thought looked fun. Doesn't matter what kind of popcorn you use. And I like to use an air popper. It's really quick and fast and so easy, and there's no cleanup when you make it. So if you have one, this is a great thing to use. Otherwise, you can pop your popcorn however you usually do. Okay, so we have our popcorn all popped, and now we're going to get our seasoning mixture put together. And I usually like to use just an old spice jar for this that has the little shaker top so the kids can shake it onto the popcorn. And there's no exact measurements for this mixture. It's really more of how you would like it to taste. I usually do about a half a teaspoon of salt, and you can always add more salt later if you feel that it's not salty enough. And I'm also going to do about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then with the spirulina, you can do anywhere from half a teaspoon or more if you want it to be a little more green. It doesn't have a strong taste, so it's just such a great thing to add, and it makes the popcorn fun. And then with the nutritional yeast, I usually use a little bit more of this. It has that great cheesy taste on the popcorn, and nutritional yeast is also full of B vitamins and stuff. It's so good for you. So I'm probably gonna do at least 2 teaspoons of the nutritional yeast, and you can also add more of that if your kids like it and you want it to have more of that taste to it. And then we're just going to shake it up in our jar, in our spice jar. And I think I'm going to even put a little more of the nutritional yeast in. Add 1 more teaspoon of that. And again, you can do any combination or any amounts that you like or that your kids like. You can also have fun with this. You can add crushed red pepper if you want it to be spicy, or you can do chili powder and cumin if you want more of a Tex-Mex taste, or you can do some cayenne pepper if you want it also spicy. So here is our spice mixture in our jar, and then we have our melted butter. The melted butter might be something that you want to do. It's a little bit harder to get it on, but usually what I do is I pour a little bit of the butter on, and then I have the kids shake the mixture on. And I don't know if you can see that cool green color. And then you just sort of toss that, add a little bit more butter, and they can shake some more of the spice seasoning on. Toss it again. 1 more round of butter. And some more of our green mixture. You can see that cool green color. And then you just shake it around with the butter. Oh, it smells so good. And then you can taste it, see if you want to add a little more of salt or something, and you can see that cool green color on the popcorn. That's why I always tell kids it's time for green popcorn. So have fun with this. Let the kids get involved in the flavors that they want, and enjoy, and keep rooting for the future.